guys, welcome back to my channel, and today what I have for you, I thought I'd hop on here really quick and show you what I found at JoAnns Fabrics. They're having 70% off all their fall, and they're having a clearance section that I found some really nice items in, and I thought you might be interested. So let me show you what I found. Okay, the first thing is this gorgeous table. I love it. It is so pretty. You could do so much with this. This lid just pops off, but right now I still have the plastic on it. And it was in the Simply Autumn section, which I was surprised. To me, this is not just autumn. But it was $89.99. And it was 70% off, so I got this for $26.99. I would never pay $89.99 for it, but for $26, I thought that was a really good deal. You could do so much with that. Then the next thing I found is this Galvanized Leaf, and it has all the little leaves impression on it cut out. And it's just, you could use this for so many things. It's really large, as you can see. And it was originally $49.99. Hope you can see that. And it was also 70% off, and I got it for $14.99. So I love it. I just think these are so pretty. They're even pretty stacked on top of one another. I just love them. Then I found this cute little basket, like a wooden basket like. It's just so pretty. It just looks so farmhouse, vintage, Tuscan to me. And it was originally $19.99. Hope you can see it. And it was on sale for $5.99. And they had 3 different sizes, but I only got this. You could do so much with this. And it has a little galvanized handles. I just love it. You could do so much with that. Okay, now that's all that was in the fall section at 70% off. The rest I found was in the clearance section in a totally separate area. Okay, let me show you what I found. Okay, I found Luminara Candles. Okay, you know, if you go to Hobby Lobby, and this is the ivory, and it's a 4x9. It's gigantic. If you go to Hobby Lobby, you will see these for $50, okay? And they do work. Here is this one, and I'll show you in a minute what I'm talking about. And then here is this one. No, now I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm excited. Okay, this one was on clearance for $20.97, okay? But you also got to take an additional 25% off that price, which brought this candle down to $15.73. I about lost it, okay? So naturally I picked that up. Then they had this one, and they have a bunch of them in there. I didn't know that they would even put these on clearance. This one was normally $20.97 on their clearance price. It's smaller. It's the 3x5x7, and it came out to be the same price as this larger one, $15.73, but that's still a steal, okay? Then they had this little one, and it was normally $17 on clearance and 97 cents. And with the 25% additional off, it came to $13.47. And then they had the remotes to go with these, and they were regularly $3.97, but when you take the additional 25% off, it came down to $2.98. I love it. And then they also had these little, I went crazy, these little flicker candles. Now these aren't remote control. You can't use the remote. I thought you could, but you can't. They were originally $4.97 clearance price, but by the time you take the additional 25% off, they came down to $5.60. So let me show you that these candles do work, because at first I was like, maybe something's wrong with them. But no, they work. They all work. I love them. So if you want Luminara candles, oh my gosh, and they smell wonderful. So that's all I picked up at JoAnns at their fall 70% off sale and their clearance. Definitely, I don't really consider these items fall. I mean, you definitely could use them for fall, especially this. But everything else to me is not fall. But I didn't want you to miss it if you were interested. My JoAnns still had plenty of these smaller ones. And so just check out and see what you can find out there. There's some great sales right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put this up, like I said, as an extra video. And I'll see you tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and we start our Christmas DIYs. I'm so excited. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.